Welcome to a quick guide on the basics of the United States stock market. The U.S. stock market is one of the largest and most influential financial markets in the world. It's where shares of publicly traded companies are bought and sold. The two main stock exchanges in the U.S. are the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, home to big companies like Coca-Cola and Walmart, the NASDAQ, known for tech giants like Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, and so on. When you buy a stock, you're purchasing a small piece of ownership in a company. That makes you a shareholder. Stock prices move based on supply and demand, company performance, global events, and investor sentiment. You'll often hear the terms bull market and bear market. A bull market means prices are rising and investors are confident. A bear market means prices are falling and there's widespread fear or caution. Smart investors don't put all their money in one stock. They build a diverse portfolio, spreading risk across sectors like tech, healthcare, energy, and more. Over time, the U.S. stock market has historically grown, making it a powerful tool for long-term wealth building. But remember, investing involves risk. It's important to research, stay informed, and think long-term. And that's your basic intro to the U.S. stock market. Keep learning, keep growing, and invest wisely. Subscribe for more finance tips.